ये हमारा एग्जाम्पल था। तो पिछले लेक्चर में हमने इस एग्जाम्पल को सॉल्व किया था, तो आप लोगों को फॉर्मूला बताया था हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट डीएच वैल्यू एंड हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट डीवी वैल्यू। सो कैलकुलेशन के बाद डीएच इज अ 200 एंड डीवी इज अ 200। सो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो हमने एल्गोरिथम पढ़ा था, उस एल्गोरिथम में ये था कि फर्स्टली वी कंप्यूट द डिफरेंस वैल्यू ऑफ डीवी एंड डीएच, and the if dv minus dh is a higher value and the value of dv is more higher than the value of dh, then we prefer the best values, and if dh is higher than the dv, then we prefer the north values. And in third case, when their difference is a very slightly, or we can say that very moderate, then we have follow the various steps. तो यहाँ पे हमने dv और dh का जब डिफरेंस लिया, then we find the value 0. And in the tabular format we have seen that when the value lies between 8 to -8, this one, when the value lie from 8 to -8, means we can say that 8 to -8 our 0 value also lie. So in this case the coding form of x is t, and what is the value of t we can compute with the help of west plus north divided by 2 plus northeast minus northwest divided by 2. So with, sorry, here in the formula there is a single mistake. This one is a 4. आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. This one is a 4, not 2. Northeast minus northwest divided by 4. So in this case, if dv minus dh is equal to 0, so this value we know that lie from 8 to -8. So the coding of x, which called x cross or x bar or x naught, whichever you term given, it's depend on you. So the predicted value, that's called x bar या फिर x dash, which is the coding sequence of x, original value of x is t, and t is equal to w west plus north divided by 2 plus northeast minus northwest divided by 4, and after computing this we can find the value of x bar is 75. Now we predict the predictions error. What will be the predictions error? That will be x minus x, not x bar. So x, original value of x, means original value of x is 100, and when we compute the coding sequence of x, that is called x bar, is 75. So we compute difference x minus x bar, that is 100 minus 75 is equal to 25. So here we predict the error, predictions error, we find the value 25. Now after calculating all these, again what we will calculate, the calculation of the vector values, and the how we'll find the vector values. For this we have used this sequence: north west, northwest, northeast, north north, west west, 2 multiply by north minus north north, comma 2 multiply by west minus west west. And this is nomenclature as x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and x7. For our convenience, we have applied the nomenclature for this to x naught to x7. And binary vector, what will be the binary vector? Binary vector is just a reverse of this vector. Means we start from x7 and end to x0, but in the binary format. So again we have changed the nomenclature with b. So this one is a b7, b6, b5, b4, b3, b2, b1 and b0. And what is the binary value with respect to k, where k lie from 0 to 7, that is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be the binary value of k is equal to 0 if xk is greater than or equal to x bar, and 1 if xk is less than x bar or x dash, जो भी आप कहना चाहें. So the binary value, with the help of 0 and 1, we can compute the binary value with respect to the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for our example, we compute the vector, and vector is nothing but put the value of northwest, northwest, northeast, north, north, and so on. And after putting this, we find the vector value is 100, 100, 200, 100, 200, 200, 0, and 0. And for this vector values, we can compute the binary vector. And binary vector, we know that the value of bk, and bk is arranged in the sequence order of b7, b6, b5, b4, b3, b2, b1, and so on. So this, we can say that what is the binary value of 100. So binary value of vector values, which is 100, for this vector values, binary values can be calculated with the help of 0 if xk is greater than or equal to x dash. So xk is nothing but x0, and we know that x0 is 100, and this 100 is greater than or equal to x dash is the 75. So 100 greater than 75. So put binary values corresponding to north is 0. Again for the west, we know that the vector value for west is 100, and apply these two steps. 100 is greater than 75. Again the binary value for the west is 0. And apply for the whole sequence. Let us see for this 0. So we know that 2n minus nn, and the vector values for 2n minus nn is a 0, and correspondence binary value of 0 is a 1. How we will calculate here? If xk is a 0 is less than 75 as condition satisfied. If condition satisfied, then binary value is 1. So this one is a 1. Again for the same process apply, and we find the value, binary value, that is 1. So we find the binary values with respect to the vector values. Now we compute binary vector, and the binary vector is nothing but the reverse order of vector values. So reverse order of vector values means we can say that firstly we put binaries values corresponding to x7, then binaries values corresponding to x6, then x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, and x0. So this one is the reverse order. So firstly we take 1, again we take this one, again we take this 0, again we take this 0, this, this, and this. So we find a simple binary vector for the given example is 11, then 00, again 00, again 00, means 6 times 0. So with this process, we can compute the binary vector, which is 1, 1, and 6 times 0. Now, we compute the quantity. Firstly, we compute the coding sequence or coding values of x, which is called x dash, that is the 75. Again, if question asks find the error, then we compute original values minus coded values. Original value is 100 and coded value is just 75. So error is a 25. After computing the error, if the question asks what is the vector value, then apply the sequence of northwest, we find the vector values. And if the question asks what will be the binary vector for this x, so we can compute the binary vector of x with the given process. Fine. Again, if the question asks what is the quantity, so quantity is nothing but vertical variation plus horizontal variation plus 2 into previous predictions. See once, vertical variation, that's the deviation with vertical, dv, plus horizontal variation, that is called the deviation with horizontal, dh, plus 2 previous predictions, that is called EW, and EW is not but the error. Error is what? X minus X dash. So simplify, we can say that what is the quantity? So quantity sigma is equal to dV plus dH plus 2 mod value of X minus X naught, X dash. And the range of this quantity means sigma divided into 4 intervals and each represented by 2 bits. This is an important point, you should note this, ki represented by 2 bits in 4 intervals. What will be the result? This sigma means quantity. This is divided again into 4 intervals and each intervals in 2-bit form. So what will be the interval? So interval is like this. If sigma values lie between 0 to q1, then in context 1. If q1 say q2, then context 2. q2 say q3, then context 3, and so on up to 8 context. So we studied that this sigma divided into 4 intervals, but here we saw the values lie between q context 1 to context 8. So we find the 8 division, not 4. But if you see here, then here is write down that sigma divided into 4 intervals and each represented by 2 bit. So multiply 2 by 4, we find the value 8. We find the 8 individual values, either in 0, either in 1. Again, we take a pair of 2, we can divide it 8 by 2, we find the 4. So we find 4 interval and each interval contain only 2 values. That will be the 2 bits. Either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. Any combination of 0 and 1. So with the help of this, we can finish the portion of Calc. अगर किसी को कंफ्यूजन हो तो एक बार फिर से अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ ले.